They push their motor, they push their motor. They carry the motor, they go scatter their motor. They don't, now go on. One are removing a car. Now you don't cover me now, stay one side. The other is no cover. You're me.
Okay.
We like that.
Que chagas o.
You need to check out. I'm screeching on the car. So the switch okay. It's really good. Now we are doing Usman. And my body that charge I just for. I tell you. I should explain you to Dimas, where is Dimas? You don't try to make to go there. I'll go come. Dimash, this discussion will center now this year, so they discuss with the EFCC.
What of the other one here? This boss. No. What I'm saying is your vehicles are tight, but it's not fine. Yeah. The thing is, my driver out of me. Tell your driver. Check.
ẹjẹ́ àyè wà báwo rí gbà. Vicky. Carry camera up so now you can call your friend. Alex. Yes, sir. How are you?
bless you. Just like move it over that. God bless you.
What have you? Hey, come on up. Back at the plastic, right? Watch us. Watch us.
So now we there also. The guy won't come out.
Let's see. God will see you.
That come back.
Let's see. I beg.
Come back. Ó ti lọ. Ó ti lọ. Ó ti lọ.
That's the best. Sorry, EFCC. I want to tell you. Your phone. I won't try to hold on. Let me see that I get it.
Why would you get it?
Backwards. Your pictures.
They are going now. They will soon go.
Post it.
From that place,
The kiwi come on, move on, come carry not that. They do again. They wait.
Move bẹ́ẹ̀, no move bẹ́ẹ̀. So far,
Big. Let's go.
Big.
No, see the go there. You said go there. I thought you must.
Àwọn ọmọ iṣẹ́ wa ń ṣe iṣẹ́ tó lè máa wà kíkìnì láìsí.
It's part of the report now.
That's my girl now. I can't even see her.
Okuru.
Big! Nigga, only standing. Okay, no one. Hamza! Wow, I love this.
You might get caught.
I'll tell you it is there. Where is your what do you want? When you want to I know. Ah, but where's your mom? No, you know again.
What can you say about what happened today? And the EFCC did siege the House of What do you think? Okay, now it is alleged that he's being investigated on corruption allegation, ordering fraud of about 84 billion naira. And then there's a restricting order which we know, restricting the police from arresting her. We know about that. But the EFCC is also saying that they have appealed this order and they have the right to come and have him arrested. But what can you even say about the entire drama that has unfolded?
Okay, let me first of all introduce myself. I'm Honorable Mtar Baj, the former majority leader of Kogi State House of Assembly, who worked closely with the present governor, the former governor of Kogi State, the person of Alhaji Yahaya Bello. As we all know, his capacity when he was the governor, all he has done in Kogi State to put smile on the people's face, infrastructural development in our states. I was a member then, and we know all he has done to make sure Kogi is a state you can be proud of in this country today. Besides, these people around here now, I don't see a reason why they should be here, because the present governor, I don't think the present governor who is in charge of Kogi affair today made any report to them that there are issues of misappropriation in our states. I don't think so. And besides, there's a court order that restrained them from coming to harass the governor. There's a court judgment. So I don't know where they got their own judgment from. It is obvious it's political. So whatever anybody is doing here is being political. As you all know, Yahaya Bello is a star boy. He's someone who has really done well in this country, and we should be proud of him. Instead of us to pour a comment on him, rather they are busy winchotting him here and there, think that will be the best for anybody. No, it is not right for our country to have a vibrant governor who has done so well in a state like Kogi State. Then what is now there now is now to be winchotting him. No, I think it's a bad idea.
Oh, you as a close ally, can you confirm to us that the governor is still in the house?
No, I am just coming in here. I don't know exactly what is going on inside. And you stop me outside here. So you don't turn me to a liar. I don't know if he's in here. I only came here because I see there are people around here. And it's my boss. Thank you. I'm Honorable Mtar Baj, the former majority leader of Kogi State House of Assembly.
Friday Sunny is my name. Yeah, my chieftaincy title name is Makauma. I'm from Kogi East Senatorial District.
Your political position, do you have
A former member of Kogi State House of Assembly and former head of the Special Task Force on Illegal Firearms in Kogi State.
What's your reaction to what has happened here today?
Well, I think it's uncalled for me, and the little I know about security is uncalled for. There is a court order, as it stands now, a valid court order restraining the EFCC from taking the action that they've taken today. This is why I feel it is uncalled for. Yes. Because the EFCC cannot stand on its own without a law. So I expected that the EFCC should not be too desperate. They don't have a vested interest. They are not expected to have a personal interest in a state matter, because the matter at stake here is a state matter. That's how I see it, and I think that is the right thing to do.
What made you feel it's a vested interest?
Well, because of the way it is being pursued. The way and manner the whole thing is pursued interprets a lot of things that nobody can really explain. Because when there is a valid court order restraining the EFCC, which is established by law, the EFCC should not show this level of desperation as it happened today. This is why I felt that EFCC is not supposed to have a vested interest in a state matter or a personal interest in a state matter.
Do you suspect anybody from the state to be behind this?
Well, it's clear already that the whole thing is politically motivated as it is now. You can see it. Every normal human being can interpret what is happening now. The former governor just paid a visit to Mr. President just a day before yesterday. And today, this attack came. It's clear. You can read it. You can read within the line.
Are you saying it's from the political party or from the Kogi State?
From politicians who are threatened by the profile of the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello.
Is he aspiring for a position now?
People are clamoring for his service, particularly at the level of the National Secretariat of our party. Okay. And because of that, and more others that I cannot explain here, is the reason why he's being chased this way. This is what we can deduce from the current happening.
That means they don't want him to become party chairman?
This is part also. A lot of people will not want to vacate their seat for another one to become. So definitely they will look for a way to subdue one another. I think this is what is happening here.
Thank you.
Your name?
Elder Dr. Friday Sunny, my name.
Your position.
Two-time former member of Kogi State House of Assembly, former Director General Kogi State Special Task Force on Illegal Smuggling of Firearms.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Come on, Kogi.
We witnessed strange movements in the front of your man, former governor. Can you say about that?
Well, I only came to visit my leader, His Excellency
the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya, Bello, and I saw some crowd. Of course, he's a man of the people. I'm not surprised. Visitors trooping in and out every day. So whether he's in Abuja, in Okene, in Lokoja, so I'm not surprised seeing people around him. He's a man of the people. Oh, talking about EFCC? Well, I am not sure. I am not sure those guys are from EFCC because there is a subsisting court order. I am sure they have regard for rule of law, and I don't think they are above the law. So I have my doubt. I have my reservation. Maybe they are not from EFCC.
But what do you think? Who is behind this?
I don't know. Even for me, I'm telling you, I'm not even sure they are from EFCC. But they should have, if they are from EFCC, they should have regard for rule of law.
You have a court order?
Of course, there is a court order.
But they also appealed the order.
And what is the outcome of the appeal? Can you tell me?
So they said.
Eh?
So they said.
Yes, if you allege that you appeal, you wait for the outcome. Do you take law into your hands?
No.
We must respect the constitution of this country. And we must respect our leader, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Let us not make him look as if the people working with him have no regard for rule of law. We must respect the constitution of this country. A pronouncement from court until a superior court vacates it, you can't do otherwise. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Only